Hello, London, and hello, Birmingham. My name is Bill Lawrence, president of Leader Formation International, and I cannot tell you how challenged I am to be with you in April. And when I come, there's a question that I want to answer, and that question is this. Why was it that Jesus spent so little time talking with his future leaders about their hands and so much time talking about their hearts? You realize that in the last 6 months that he was with them, their hearts were the primary topic of conversation. And what does that have to do with us as we strive to live life and pursue leadership? That's the question I want to answer as we talk about altered hearts when we're together.
It's easy to go through life, especially if you're not a pastor, if you're an ordinary church leader, a deacon or an elder in your fellowship, without doing anything very much to help yourself to become a more appropriate leader, to receive blessings that you get from mixing with other people and learning with other people. And this is a good opportunity to meet other leaders and to learn from someone who has vast experience and take away resources that can help you in your day-to-day walk with God.